Hey y'all. So I'm getting ready to run some errands. We have a trip planned for tomorrow. It's exciting. Yay. I had to put my truck in the shop. It's a diesel. And I was getting a message and I put it in thinking that, okay, I'm going to get it right back. No, it's been gone for over a week. And I'm not going to miss my trip. So now I'm off to get a new marine battery for Jenny Jean because hers is not working. And, well, it actually just needs to be replaced. So I need to do that, charge up my solar panels so I can be ready to hit the road. All right? Gotcha. I headed over to Advanced Auto Parts to purchase a new marine battery. It's pretty heavy, so the guys let me use a cart to push it in the store. After I made the exchange, I headed home, and Edwin came and helped to get the new battery inside. Oh, he did. Missed it. He-Man. Watch your step. Oh. Turn it around. Turn it out. Place it on that black strap.
This way?
Just like that. Right there.
Okay.
And I'm gonna, no, what are you doing? It's gonna go this way.
What? This way?
No,
this
right
way?
there, yes.
Okay.
Over your hand, here you go. Let's get this in here. Oh, I do need that. I need that to be able to see some more. Right? Okay. So, we gotta find them. Okay, that's the negative. That's the black one. Okay. And then we need to take this off. Where my muscle hands at? Broke off some. Okay. And I have these little books. Hopefully this is gonna do the job, right? Can you see down there? Can you come closer? And where's the strap? The strap it in. Strap it. No. Guess it's supposed to go on top. Should do fast. Okay. But now I need to see. Okay, got that. My Everstart. And I need to replace this piece, the battery charger. It doesn't look like it's so. Hopefully that will do the trick. Because my battery wasn't, I think it had run out of juice. And so now my light should charge when I pull out and charge the solar panel. So we'll find out tomorrow if everything's back to normal. And like I said, I still want to change the battery charger in there. But it's another day. I just love Jinjin, guys. Did I say that? I just love Jinjin. So, get in practice. So we'll catch you soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you on the road.